Hey there guys, welcome to another video. So in this video I just wanted to go over some of the visual differences between the iPhone XR and the iPhone 11. The iPhone 11 basically is a XR-S, I guess you could say. So from the front, it's very hard to see any real difference, but that's because they are using the same display. Both of them have the same 6.1-inch LCD display. So it's going to be very hard to tell between the two which is which. As you can see here on the side, they both have the same layout of buttons. So we have the mute and silent switch and our volume buttons. Same side, same placement. And the antenna bands are on in the same exact spot. Now you can tell right now, based on the bump on the back, which one is which. So the black one is the 11 and the red one is the XR. On the bottom, we have the exact same ports as well. As you can see, the holes are the same. There are the same amount of them. The lightning port is in the same spot. Everything is the same there. On the other side, we have our sleep-wake button, and it is in the exact same place as well. Same size and everything, antenna bands in the same spot. On the top, nothing. So they are the same. The back is where you really see the change. So you'll see that the XR on the left, the Apple logo is further up, and you only have one camera. You have the microphone and the flash. And then on the 11, you have your regular camera, your ultra-wide camera below it, the flash to the right, and then the mic right above the flash there. You can also see that the Apple logo is centered now versus higher up. And you're also missing the iPhone branding. So this XR is the product red version. There is a product red version of the 11 as well also. The colors will also differentiate it. So as you can see, the red is on the aluminum also. So that's another way to differentiate the two. So on the XR came in, it came in black, white, product red, came in a light blue, a coral, and a yellow. And the 11 comes in black, white, the product red, and comes in purple, green, and is it yellow, I think? Purple, green, and I think yellow. But they are a lighter pastel kind of color. So you'll be able to somewhat tell. If it's out of a case, you may be able to see from the front the aluminum sides. If they are that color, you'll be able to tell from that. One thing I did notice, and I could be wrong here, but I did notice that the camera, so if it's in a case and you really need to know and it's just flat on the table, the only real thing I can notice that's different here is the size of the lens on the camera, and that's kind of hard to show here, but you can see that the camera on the 11 is slightly larger than the one on the XR, because it is. This one is a 12 megapixel camera and this one is a 7 megapixel camera. But it's really hard to tell, so unless you can look at them, right in the light. It does also appear that the earpiece is slightly longer on the XR. So it's kind of hard to tell. Honestly, I don't know if you can see that. It does look slightly longer on the XR. So that could be another differentiating feature, so you can tell the difference between the two. As far as weight, they feel very similar. Yeah, I really can't tell too much of a difference between the weight on the two. But similar materials and everything. And yeah. So anyway, so hopefully that helps you with some of the visual differences of the two phones. They are very similar, but colors and the back will definitely let you know which one it is. Anyway, hope this has been helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next video.